Good morning here, Ben. Who's that? Yeah, Ben. Good morning. Fishmonger's Hall, Adelaide's House, London Bridge, 1973. Francesca, good morning. It's only TikTok Steve. On a Thursday morning. We're up nice and early. We're off to Canary Wharf. Morning. Hey there, Mr. Blue. So the city will be packed today. It's a Thursday. The sun has got his hat on. Look, this is finally finished, Adelaide House. Oh, I'm always up at this time, Jen. I normally start work at 7:30. No, it's not warm at all. There's quite a wind as well. Let's see. Let's do weather check. Everyone. What degrees have we got? Look at this. What do you reckon it is? Hello, Kim. How you doing? Definitely not too warm for a coat. You're shielded from the wind, aren't you, Mr. Felix? Look, we're only 17 degrees. 17 degrees on a bridge. I've got a short sleeve shirt on though, so that's why. 17 degrees. Normally it's about 23 by now. It's lovely that it's cooler, so much nicer. So I'm off to Canary Wharf, which is right over there. That's where we're going. Canary Wharf. So yeah, there's a little bit of a breeze, which is nice. So it's a lot cooler today all day. I think we're only going up to 22 today. Yeah, 22, and it's going to rain. That's the other reason I've got a coat on. We're meant to get a bit of rain this morning. Good morning. No, I'm not going to Greenwich. I'm going to Canary Wharf. We're at the TTS bus stop, old time's sake. We've got a bit of sun. Good morning, everyone. Take the Jubilee, yes, I never would have thought of that. Who'd have thought? What's Jubilee? So this is your London Bridge, your 1973s. Before this we had the John Rennie Bridge, 1831 to the 1960s. That's Fishmonger's Hall. No, we're getting the tube. Oreo. Hello, good morning. So it's going to be one of those days where you just don't know what to wear all day. Because you sort of I need this raincoat. It's only a raincoat really. I need this raincoat in case it rains. I've only got a short sleeve shirt on. By about 10 o'clock I won't need the coat. It's very tricky. This is TikTok Steve live streaming. We're just watching the world go by. I can't hang around here too much. We've got to go and get a tube. Do you want to come with me to Canary Wharf? Do you want to come over there? It'll take about 10 minutes to get there. So not long. Beautiful sunrise today. But we'll see what the signal can be a bit weird on Jubilee. You're in London now, nice one, Oreo. Remember, we do leave our little bits of merch around if you want me to leave you something. What's the time? So London's always its busiest on a Thursday, really. City of London. No, we're not at Westminster. We're at London Bridge. You'll go get it, Oreo. Do you want me to hide you something? We could hide something for Oreo, couldn't we? What have I got? A badge? Do you want a badge? One of our badges? I found TikTok Steve. We'll put one in our little bus stop here, look. We'll put one in the bus stop. We are on London Bridge. You're in concierge. Yes, but why did you say Westminster? I don't understand. Should we have a knowledge off with concierge? Good morning, Mark. How you doing? Because of the Wi-Fi. Yeah, the Wi-Fi on the Jubilee line's a bit hit and miss. It's Mel's here. You'll lose Wi-Fi at Finchley Road, but I'm not going anywhere near Finchley Road. Very confused. I don't know what's going on. There's the Shard 2012. This is TikTok Steve. Good morning to you. It's Thursday, so it's Friday tomorrow. We're out here doing our family-friendly lives. I hope you're all well. He's having a great time. Good morning, good morning. It is Friday Eve, yes it is. There's HMS Belfast looking splendid. Tower Bridge, 1894. The Bascule Bridge. Good morning from Greece. Morning Bluebells, how are you doing? Captain Dan's here. Captain Dan of HMS Belfast. Are you on ship today? Good morning, Jane. So who was watching us last night? It was quite late last night. We was on London Bridge. Must have been about 10 o'clock last night. We were here. Doing a little stream. So it doesn't get really busy here till about 8:30 really. It's the busiest time, 8:30, 9 o'clock is when the City of London really takes off. The financial district. Who's that? J. Dean, can you come to Oxted today? I'm not in Oxted today, no, I'm London. It's all about the movie Pressure. Nice one, Captain Dan. HMS Belfast is basically a floating museum. It's fantastic to visit. HMS Belfast. Hello, Kim. It's still Wednesday night for you. Kelly, how are you doing? Good morning to everyone. We are watching the world go by. If you're walking across the bridge, London Bridge this morning, give us a little wave as you walk on by, or we'll give you a badge. We've got our little badges with us today. If you want a badge. You want to see inside? We can't live stream on there. Good morning, Marina. Good morning to everyone. How are we? We're just watching people arrive into the City of London. Welcome in, I hope you're all well. Thank you to the new followers, you're very kind. Good morning, good morning. Good morning to you. We haven't done this for a while actually. Oh, Essex, good luck with your results, Essex. Hope it goes okay. They're all getting their GCSE results today. Sally, good morning. Good morning to everyone. We are off to Canary Wharf. We're going over there. We're going to go on the Jubilee. Oh yeah, go to Starbucks, Essex, and I think I've put some badges there and whatever. So nice one, Mark. If you are coming across London Bridge, I've just put one of our badges here. Good morning. Thank you for sharing the live. It's TikTok Steve here. We used to do this virtually every morning, stand on London Bridge and watch the world go by. Not been doing it quite so much lately. We hide our merch all over London. If you're coming across London Bridge and you want a badge, just give us a shout out. Good morning. The sun is lovely this morning, but I've actually got my coat on. It's only 17 degrees. So the weather was broken. We might get a bit of rain apparently, but it's looking beautiful at the moment. It's all blue skies. Now I don't know what to do about coffee, you see. Don't really want to have a coffee with me on the old tube, do I? Because that's a faff. So I might have to wait and get a coffee in Canary Wharf. So hi ho, it's off to work we go. There's St Paul's Cathedral there, the Cannon Street Station towers. It's not going to be much of a chilled walk though. I'm going to meetings. Big long meeting in Canary Wharf this morning. Good morning. I don't like it when they mess with the colours of the bus. Southwark Cathedral, Bar Markets here. This is Bankside. Walk all the way along here to Westminster. It's a lovely walk. Right, old school. Yeah, work's bang out of order, to be honest. Work is very rude. There you go, I had it painted red. Right, let's say goodbye to the view, everyone. We're on our way. We're on our way to the Leipzig. We're on our way. It's a nice view, isn't it? It's a lovely view. It's alright. Very peaceful. everyone's well. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to London Bridge, we're going to go to the Underground, we're going to go Jubilee line, and we're going to go Canary Wharf. A few stops, and we're there. But I think the trouble is, walking to the Jubilee, we're going to lose signal. It's not great in London Bridge. So I'm not sure I'm going to be able to, and I think the tube will be packed as well, so I might have to just come back on when I get there. Well, welcome in, everyone. We do family-friendly live streams. That's what we do. Just trying to think of the least amount of glitch we'll get, but it's when you walk to the tube it goes quite glitchy in here. Welcome in. So do you want to go for it then? Do you want to come with me? If it really glitches for too long, I'll end it and then restart again. But do you want to try and stay with me? Our gang, we have an amazing gang in the TTS gang. They stay with me through all sorts of glitches. I can glitch for a few minutes and they'll still all be there when I get back, which is really nice. So they chat amongst themselves while I'm glitching out. But sometimes if the glitch is just too bad, I have no choice but to end it. Okay, here we go then. Eyes down for a full house. We're going to go Jubilee. It might not be too bad. We'll see what happens. I haven't got to walk through that long bit.
Welcome to London Bridge Station. For safety and security, CCTV is in use throughout London Underground. Help us to keep your journey running safely and securely. Please keep your belongings with you at all times, and
Why's my card not working? Hang on. Right, are you still here, everyone? So this is the Jubilee line. We're going to Canary Wharf. Good morning to you all. It's Thursday morning. I think it's 3 stops. I think it's 3 stops to Canary Wharf. It doesn't take long. It doesn't take long. So here we go. We're going to Canary Wharf.
welcome to London Bridge Station.
This is the Jubilee.
For your safety and security, CCTV is in use throughout London Underground.
Yeah, very weird.
Keep your journey running safely and securely. Please keep your belongings with you at all times.
Yeah, I don't know what Bossman's on about. The City of London is so clean. It's unbelievable compared to a lot of cities. See, now I'm too warm down here. I need to get rid of the coat now. But the Canary Wharf might be a bit chilly with the wind. So this won't take long.
London Bridge, change here for the Northern Line and National Rail services. This train terminates at Stratford. This station is Bermondsey. This train terminates at Stratford. This station is Canada Water. Change here for London Overground. This train terminates at Stratford.
And there you have it, we are at Canary Wharf. So as you know now, it doesn't take long to get here. Was that about 10 minutes, was it? They're all singing and dancing at Canary Wharf. So Canary Wharf is an amazing place, really. It's very different to traditional London. All its skyscrapers and its shopping centres, very modern. Started redeveloping in the 80s. And they're still building huge blocks of apartments. And this is Canary Wharf Station. There's a lot of offices here, so that's why you're seeing so many people coming. These people are all, most of these will be going to work. Good morning, everyone. I thought it would be interesting for you to see Canary Wharf in the morning. It's a big work vibe. We've got these huge, this is called Jubilee Place, that's a huge shopping centre in there. Lots of shops here, lots of restaurants and bars. Oh, I could get a coffee. It is. This is where the old Docklands. This was all wasteland here. So welcome to Canary Wharf. Skyscraper after skyscraper. There's Morgan, JP Morgan. And you've got Wood Wharf now, which is another new development here. Constantly new blocks going up all the way around. I really do need a coffee, although do I just have the coffee when I get there with everyone? I love the old traditional post box they've put here, which is nice. Has to be Elizabeth, of course, because it's quite new here. So we got ER, Elizabeth Regina. Regina means Queen in Latin. They did a nice little display here. There's a little bit of water here, and the one good thing about Canary Wharf, it's made full use of all the canals. Yeah, there's loads of places to eat and drink here. Lots of new fun activities here as well, like, you know, all sorts. They've got the new swimming pool here as well, which we never got to see last time. I wonder if I'll get to see it today. I can't remember where it is. You can't come to Canary Wharf without getting a little bit lost, of course, unless you live here. It still gets me every time. So look at all these new apartments that have gone up. It's amazing. Well, I'm off to a meeting, so I'm going to end soon. So we always walk through here. We're sort of heading towards South Quay, but I'm going to do a bit of a right turn. I've eaten here before for a little lunch. It was quite nice. So I could get a cheeky coffee here. Look at those croissants. The patisseries look good. These look good as well. Look at that. Oh, eggs and bacon, sausages. Oh, it all looks a bit good. It all looks a bit good, to be honest. But I've got to find my meeting place first. So we better crack on. Even though I'm desperate. Right, we'll walk across the noisy bridge. It's very noisy, this bridge, especially if people have got suitcases there wheeling along. So I'm going over here. So how's this for a view, everyone? This is London. This is London. You wouldn't think it, would you? So this was the old Dockland area of London. East London. Everything you see is relatively new. If you call 20 years new. Hello, Chris. That's a nice entrance, isn't it? Are you an Evertonian by any chance? We always lose to Everton. So there we go. The Toffs, yeah. So this is the DLR. These are driverless trains that go all around Canary Wharf. You can get this from Bank. I could have gone to Bank and got one of these this morning. But I am off to me. I'm going to have to end this in a minute because I could well come across somebody that's going to the meeting as well. Of course, I've got my season ticket. But I couldn't go to... I haven't got a ticket for the Everton game, but my first away game is Fulham. Yeah, we like a bit of South Quay, so South Quay's down that way. I don't often come down this way. When I was a young boy, my father said to me, "Listen here, my son, we're CPFC, here we are, you know us by noise. Pride of South London, the famous Palace Boys." So we have got our magnets, and I'll have to leave some stuff in Canary Wharf. Who's in Canary Wharf today? We'll hide you some merch. It's futuristic here, isn't it? We've even got stickers. So good morning. You get a lovely view just over there. You get a view of the city. Tower Hamlets, isn't it? So Tower Hamlets, so that's where, you know, when we go to Tower of London, that is Tower Hamlets as well. So this is the DLR, look at this. It's futuristic, baby. Goes all the way round. There's the Novotel's here. That's got an amazing bar. If ever you're in Canary Wharf, you should try out the Novotel because You don't think anything, but if you go up to their bar right at the top, it's got amazing views of London. Hello, Jacqueline. So it's the other side of Canary Wharf that I always get lost. The Novotel. You go up the top there and there's a bar up the top there. Very nice. Right everyone, I hope you've enjoyed. Oh look, there's a coffee place there. I hope you've enjoyed my little journey to work this morning. If you have enjoyed it, give us a yes in the chat. Come on, you might as well. I know it's early, but you could type yes, I suppose. There's another one going up. When will it ever stop? It's amazing. Where's all my yeses? But if all goes well, after my meetings, I might be able to do a lunchtime stream from Canary Wharf. We'll see how it goes, shall we? We'll see how it goes. I need to go and get a coffee as well. I can't wait any longer. Right, everyone. So we'll see you all later then. Thank you so much for your support this morning. To Fill Your Boots, Stevie Mids, Pride of Yali, Sally, to all the TTS gang, to any new people, please do stay with us. It's all family-friendly live streams. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's Thursday. Enjoy your day. Tomorrow's Friday. The weekend's coming. We've got this. Remember, wave and a smile. Give somebody a little smile today. See you later, everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.